Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute floral arrangement inside of one of the little Dollar Tree wooden boxes. So you'll need one of the little boxes from Dollar Tree, some florals I got at Dollar Tree, some yellow flowers, I did some purple, and some greenery. These are all from Dollar Tree. Next, you'll need a piece of scrapbook paper, but I did not end up using it, some white chalk paint, and some brown wax. So the first thing I did was take the brown wax and do the whole outside of the box and the insides on the edges. I left the bottom part of the box plain. Once I had the wax all spread over it, I just used a paper towel and wiped off all the excess. And as you can see, I'm leaving the bottom of the box not stained. I'm going to use the white chalk paint and paint the inside of the bottom of the box with the white chalk paint. And you'll just have to be really careful around the edges not to get it on the stain. And if you do, you can just wipe it off with a paper towel and then put a little bit of stain over the spot that you got the white paint on. It covers really easily. And here's where I tried to put the scrapbook paper in. And these boxes are not square, so the scrapbook paper just sits funny. I felt like it didn't match quite with the flowers that I was looking for, and I liked it with the white background better. So here it is after it's all painted white with the stain all around. Now I'm going to start adding my florals. So I added the greenery and the purple flowers, and I just used my hot glue gun and glued those onto the back. And there I just added all of the greenery first. Next, I'm going to add the purple flowers. I'm not exactly sure what these were called. Next, I'm going to add the yellow flowers to the bottom. And I'm just going to glue the back and then press them in. And kind of figuring out where I want it. And look how cute that is. Next, I decided to take one of the stickers that I got at Dollar Tree. I got these, they look like little tags. So I took the word love and I just attached it to the top where I thought it looked a little plain. And that is it. How adorable is this? This would make a super cute Mother's Day gift, and it just screams spring. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I hope you enjoyed it too. Please don't forget to spread the chaos, and thank you so much for watching.